good morning. Who will be here with today?
Good morning. How are you? My name is Nancy Mabila.
Cool. What did you study today? What are you graduating from today?
I'm graduating for MBA.
Okay, nice. Okay, how was the experience with Regent?
My experience, it was long, but yeah, it's a nice experience in terms of the assistance with Regent.
Okay.
I had a lot of assistance from the university per se, because then they allocate myself a supervisor who was very helpful through the journey. So it was very nice experience.
Okay, nice. Is there any words of advice to anyone that's out there that wants to study the MBA that choose to pray?
Yeah, they have to go through it. Yeah, it's nice.
It's a nice to be.
Yeah, it's nice to be there. But I'm also doing another one,
Okay,
the
nice.
MBA 9.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. Are you doing that with Regent
Yes,
as well? Okay.
same with Regent.
Okay, cool.